హలో అండి శేఖర్ గారు, హాయ్. విష్ యూ ఆల్ అ వెరీ హ్యాపీ వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం అండి. అశ్విని గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అశ్విని రూపన్న, నాగపద్మిని గారు, హాయ్. దివ్య గారు, హాయ్. భువనేశ్వరి మ్యామ్, హ్యాపీ వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం. So the live is happening from Patni store only, Secunderabad. Hi Shashi, Lakshmi Puja Danna, happy Lakshmi Vratam to you. Thank you Manju Veeramanjanini ma'am. Ashwini Goppanagaru, I'm good, thank you. I'm wearing a beautiful Banarasi saree, pure Banarasi tissue. Hi Sam.
Hello all of you. Happy Varalakshmi Vratam to all of you.
Kind of, my mom is still doing the puja only.
నమస్తే అండి అందరికీ. వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం శుభాకాంక్షలు. శ్రావణ శుక్రవారం.
లుకింగ్ లైక్ అ హోమ్లీ గర్ల్స్. అంటే రోజు ఇంకో రకంగా కనబడుతున్నామా మ్యామ్ మేము? టేబుల్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. మనం డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తాం అందరినీ. కిరణ్మయ్య గారు, హాయ్. So up to 30% off is there in Mugdandi. So please make sure you avail this offer. Make sure you avail this up to 30% off from us. So today we are going to show you the beautiful all varieties of sarees only. I'm wearing a gold color tissue saree with completely hand weaving, and this is not for sale. Today is Varalakshmi Vratam, no, so I wore my personal saree. I keep watching your collection. They are awesome. Happy festival, Juliet. Thank you. Looking very homely with the sleeves, no ma'am. I know. I'm very comfortable with sleeveless. కానీ sleeves మీ అందరి కోసమే. మీ అందరి కోసం కన్నా మా అత్తగారి కోసం. Yeah, the baby is also shopping. I'm wearing a gold tissue saree andi. Beautiful saree. I love my saree. What I'm wearing. This is how it is. Very pretty gold, completely with antique Banarasi weave it is. Saujanya Puttala garu, hi. And earrings and neck piece is so nice andi. Arjun Reddy garu, thank you. మీ అందరికీ హ్యాపీ వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం. దీప్తి మ్యామ్ హాయ్. ఇంతకు మీకు కావాల్సిన చీర దొరికిందా దీప్తి మ్యామ్? ఒక ఎల్లో రఫిల్ సారీ మిస్ అయ్యాను నేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ పుష్ప గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మా బుట్ట బొమ్మ ఇస్ బ్యాక్. సో స్వీట్ ఆఫ్ యూ. దిస్ సారీ is not for sale. What I'm wearing is, what I'm going to show you is for sale. నేను వేసుకుంది 50,000 వరకు ఉందండి. బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ hand woven. You see this? This is all antique hand woven, and all over the saree you have this weaving. But unfortunately na daggara okte piece undindi and I bought it off. Beautiful it is. And coming to the jewelry, it's by Pavan Mo Jewellers and Panjagutta. They have amazing jewelry, as you all know. Please log into Instagram and check their handle with the collection and everything. And thank you so much for loving our reels also. We are just some fun ma'am. Reels also koncham like chestunanduku thank you. Varalakshmi Vratam Shubhakankshalu. And let me show you what I'm wearing. The earrings are so beautiful and this is what it is. Look at the earrings. It's made in completely diamonds. This is how it is. And coming to the neck piece also, and even that's very beautiful. You see the necklace? This is all made in diamonds. Diamonds, South Sea pearls and rubies, and these are the deep maroon burgundy color beads. And this is again pearls. And coming to the sari, this is the sari andi with antique zari and with this completely weaving. This is all the pure Banarasi andi, traditional Banarasi saree. Yeah, Insta lo kuda live vastanu. Wonderful. Oh, Bhuneshwari ma'am, you liked it. Thank you, Bhuneshwari ma'am. And we put nice jasmine flowers also. Kirti, come. And what Kirti is wearing is also Banarasi andi.
I'm wearing a nice pink tissue Banarasi. And unlike other Banaras sarees, we have scallop design in the border. It's all hand woven zari, completely hand woven, and tissue, full of tissue. It's a nice pink color.
This is completely pink Banarasi tissue andi. You see, these kind of sarees are not available generally. See the complete cut work and everything. This is all made in the loom only, ma'am. This design and everything is made in the loom. This is a designer Banarasi tissue, not a regularly available sari. Next,
It is very lightweight, very lightweight. And then
what mommy is wearing?
what mommy is wearing?
Tassar
Tessar
Banaras.
Banaras saree.
This is a Tassar Banaras sari andi, and the jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewellers.
Panjagutta.
That's 5-line South Sea pearls and beads. You see, it's really beautiful, and the earrings are also in diamonds. Pavan Mo Jewellers andi. And coming to the sari, it's a pink Tassar sari with red color border. It's a red Banarasi border. And you didn't show your jewelry?
Yeah. It's a nice pearl choker and pearl earrings. It's from Pavan Mo Jewellers, Panjagutta.
So all this pretty earrings, jewelries from Pawan More. Mugdha gold jewelry, Pawan More jewelry, ma'am, prastanki. So we will show you what exactly we are going to do the live on, Andi. Come. We have exclusive sarees. We're going to show you a few Kanchivarams, we're going to show you a few Gadwals, we're going to show you a few Tussars. Thank you, ma'am. Start చేద్దాము. ఒకసారి మీకు రఫ్గా మేము ఏమేమి చూపిస్తున్నామో we will show you once. ఇది వచ్చేసారా? So we three are wearing these pretty sarees, Andi. I'm going to show you one variety, Keerthi is going to show you one variety, and Auntie is going to show you one variety. And wish you all a very happy Varalakshmi Vratam.
Varalakshmi Vratam to all of you.
From Team Mugdha. So these are the few collections which we are going to show you now. These all are the Kanjivarams. These all are the raw silks, sorry, Tussar sarees. These are the floral Kanjivarams. And these are the Paithanis, Andi. I wanted to show you few Paithanis. Auntie, first మీరు చూపించేసేయండి. అటు వెళ్ళిపోండి అండి, నేను పంపిస్తాను. ఆంటీ వేసుకున్న సారీ చూపిద్దాం. ఇవి చూపించండి ఫస్ట్. బనారసి జూట్ చూపించు. So first we are showing you what auntie is wearing. Beautiful Tussar Banarasi sari. You see the border and everything. It's a very rich, classy sari, andi. Tussar Banarasi saris. This is how it is. So we have colors in that, andi. Let me show you the colors. This is a blue color Banarasi Tussar sari. Auntie is showing you the team up also with antique buttas and a antique border. You see the border? This is how it is. This is how the blouse. What is the price, Nana? It's on 10% discount and the actual price is 12,799 and the offer price is 11,519. Watching live on Big TV, Bhuvaneshwari ma'am. నేను చెప్పాను ఆంటీ. So this is one color అండి. పళ్ళు చూపించండి. వస్తారా ఇటు నాన్న ఎవరైనా ఫ్రీ ఉంటే? ఒక ఇద్దరిని పంపిరా అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి.
We have a nice contrast pallu with meenakari work in the pallu, and we have a beautiful contrast blouse. This is the blouse.
This is the blouse andi. The price of the sari is 12,799 and the offer price is 11,519. The next color please. These all the saris which are similar to what auntie is wearing. So this is a grey and a green sari andi. Beautiful it is. This is how the blouse is. టైట్ పెట్టినా స్లీవ్ అంతే. కుట్టిస్తే అలా ఉంటుంది మ్యామ్. అండ్ స్టెప్ పెడితే కూడా ఇది చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఈ బార్డర్ చూసారా ఎంత బాగుందో. పళ్ళు చూపించండి ఆంటీ. దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ ద పళ్ళు ఇస్. Sudha ma'am, thank you Andi. So sweet of you. And the price of the sari is 12,799 and the offer price is 11,519. Very beautiful saris. We are showing you all what auntie is wearing. Beautiful, beautiful tussar. This is also a nice green and mustard tussar. Peacock green and mustard. Step it to the Kirti. This is how it is andi. Chala baundi. Very beautiful border and everything. And the live is happening from Patni store andi. Patni Secunderabad. And please avail up to 30% off.
The actual price of this saree is 12,799 and we after 10% discount we are getting it for 11,519.
Don't miss it.
Don't miss it.
The pallu is also very nice in this sari, ma'am. If you see, it's very rich actually. एक लड़का इधर आओ बेटा, तुम लोगों में से तुम आप इधर आ, तुम आओ. Oh wow, this is a nice pastel color. చాలా బాగుందండి ఈ చీర. మ్యామ్ యూకేకి లలిత శ్వేత మ్యామ్ వస్తాము త్వరలో. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ అండి. ఇద్దరావు బేటా.
Nice mint green ki nice beige color border. It's a nice pastel color. We have meenakari work in the border. And we have a contrast blouse and a contrast pallu.
నెక్స్ట్
Price of this saree is also 12,799 and after 10% discount we are getting it for 11,519.
దిస్ ఇస్ అ నైస్ వైన్ కలర్ అండి. డార్క్ వైన్ విత్ రాణి పింక్ కాంబినేషన్. మ్యామ్ కీర్తి వేసుకున్న సారీ వచ్చేసి 22,000 మ్యామ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ 22,000. వీ హ్యావ్ కలర్స్ ఇన్ దిస్. ఐల్ షో. దిస్ ఇస్ అ వైన్ విత్ రాణి పింక్. Very beautiful combination, even this one also.
Nice meenakari work in the border.
This is how the border is, Andi. Very beautiful it is. The actual price is 12,719 and the offer price is 11,519.
And this is how the pallu looks.
Show the pallu, Nana.
Yeah,
This is the pallu.
This is the pallu. Contrast pallu.
Next one. This is a grey color saree andi. Grey with chala classic combinations, ma'am. These all are. Avunu, avunu. This is how it is. Beautiful saree with meenakari work on the border. Completely meenakari booties. Yeah. It's 12,799 and the offer is 11,519. तुम
We
बताओ.
have a nice gold pallu for this.
Yes. Wow, next is a black andi. The last two sarees andi. The last two sarees of this. ఇందాక చూపించిన దాంట్లో పళ్ళు ఇలా వచ్చిందండి. సారీ మొత్తం అలా ఉంది. This is a black with copper sulfate blue. This is a black and copper sulfate blue andi. This is how it is. Very beautiful saree. And that's how the pallu and the blouse. The actual price is 12,799 and the offer price is 11,519. Sankat beta. Sankat. దీంట్లో మోటివ్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉన్నాయండి. ఇందాకటి దాంట్లోనే మోటివ్స్ కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి. సో జస్ట్ థాట్ వీ వుడ్ షో యూ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ప్లీజ్. అయిపోయాయి అందులో. ద లాస్ట్ గ్రే విత్ वो भी दिखा नहीं था ना तुम. స్కీట్ చేసుకున్న దాంట్లో ఏవి కలర్స్ ఏవి పెట్టమన్నాను కదా. స్కీట్ చేసుకున్న దాంట్లో ఓనియో తగ్గి.
This is a nice olive green. Olive
Kalam
green
ma,
with
na-
red. This is a very unique combination. We have olive green with grey border.
లైట్ వెయిట్ మ్యామ్. ఆల్ దీస్ సారీస్ ఆర్ లైట్ వెయిట్ సారీస్. ఎలా ఉందండి వెయిట్? ఎలా ఉంది?
చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్, బాడీ హగ్గింగ్.
బాడీ హగ్గింగ్ కూడా ఆంటీ. యా, సో నౌ కీర్తి విల్ షో యూ ద సారీస్ అండి.
The price of this saree is also 12,799 and the offer price is for 11,519.
యా,
వెరీ నైస్ టెసర్ బనారస్ సారీస్.
దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ద
ప్లీజ్ బై. వెరీ నైస్ సారీస్.
కీర్తి వేసుకున్న దాంట్లో ఇంకో సారీ అండి ఇది. ఇంకా 2 కలర్స్ ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్లూ టిష్యూ సారీ.
This is a nice blue tissue, light blue tissue saree and scallop work in the border. The border is beautiful. Usually we don't get such borders in Benares. This is very different hand woven Benares.
Very beautiful sari, and this is the price of the sari.
Very airy and lightweight.
Sorry, the price is 24,500 and the offer is 22,050 rupees. These are the designer Banarasi saris only, not the regular ones. And this is all pure weave. People who love subtle collection, you can go with something like this. Show what Kirti is wearing once. This is how the sari looks, Andy.
This is in pink.
This is peachish pink. Next one, black. Blackish Banarasi sari, Andiri.
This also has got tissue in it all over the body. And in the border we have a nice leaf design in the border. The border is very beautiful.
This is also pure Banarasi, ma'am.
And self blouse we've got with this. It's a nice black.
Pallu chupira.
And
Self kadra Banarasi brocade ochindi deeniki blouse.
I meant self color.
Self color, yes.
This is how the pallu looks. This is the pallu. The
Price of the sari is 20,000 and after discount you are getting it at 16,000 rupees only.
The next one is a nice
Paithani.
wine color Paithani sari. Paithanis are so much in trend since a very long time. They're still in trend, and we have got nice coin. We have got nice coin putta all over the sari. Paithani, and we have nice meenakari work in the border. The border is beautiful.
This is how the border is, Andy. It's a pure Paithani sari, Andy. Paithani in Banaras. Look at the border.
And this is the blouse with the border on it too.
The price of the sari is 45,000 Andy and the offer is 36,000 offer prices.
And this is how the pallu looks.
Pallu chupichra pure di.
Sorry.
This is all the pure weaving, Andy.
This is the pallu.
This is how it is. Beautiful sari it is. This is a copper sulphate blue, Andy. Copper sulphate blue. Pure Banarasi sari.
And we have nice rose meenakari work in the border.
Beautiful handmade work, Andy. All this is.
Nice silver putta. all
Step
over
laga
the
beta ek
sari.
bar. స్టెప్స్ పెడితే కూడా ఈ చీర చాలా అందంగా కనబడుతుందండి. Wow, very beautiful sari this is. See.
And the nice blouse, copper sulphate blouse. And let me show you the pallu.
పళ్ళు చూపించినానా.
Yeah, this is how the pallu looks.
This is how the pallu is, అండి.
Beautiful floral meenakari pallu.
Yeah. Next one, please. This is a deep maroon burgundy, Andy. Very beautiful sari, and look at this border. It's excellent.
Excellent border.
This is all that exclusive Banarasi sari, ma'am, hand woven. You see the way it has been woven, and this is how it is.
Yes.
You guys can stitch an above elbow, band gala. This is a pure Banarasi, Andy. The price.
Nice floral booties. The actual price of the saree is 33,000 and after discount we are getting it for 26,400. It's a 20% discount. Yeah. And this is how the pallu looks.
Look at the pallu, how beautiful it is.
Very colorful pallu.
And this is the last Paithani sari, Andy, what we have. Very beautiful it is. చాలా
It's a
బాగుంది.
very nice kalaneta color. green and blue kalaneta all over the sari. And nice coin buttas. And the beautiful Meenakari pallu.
Very beautiful Paithani sari, Andy. This is also.
Yeah.
Don't forget they avail the beautiful offer. Up to 20% is there on this sari, and it is 45,000, and the offer price is 36,000, Andy.
And the beautiful pallu.
This is all the pure Paithani with Banarasi, ma'am. The weaving. Next one. సంకట్ నాలుగుండేరా నాటి సంకట్లు రెండే ఇచ్చిర్రు ఇంకా రెండు ఉండాలి.
This is a beautiful grey color in Paithani. It's a very rare color in Paithani sarees.
Very smart color.
And we have got nice Meenakari work in the border, nice floral, and a beautiful grey blouse.
This is how the Paithani textured weaving, Andi. It's all hand woven silver. Very beautiful sari. Show the pallu, Nana. This is how the pallu.
The price
37,000, and after discount you're getting it at 29,600. Dilara. సో కీర్తి వేసుకున్న దాంట్లో ఇంకో 2 సారీస్ ఉన్నాయండి. లెట్ మీ షో యూ. Wow, what a smart color this is. Excellent sari. This is beautiful sari. Very sober, pure Banarasi sari.
with nice golden tissue all over the sari. It's a complete tissue sari. Complete tissue sari.
Itisko papa.
And a nice scallop border. It's a nice scallop border. And this is how the pallu looks. And this is the pallu. It's a very beautiful sari. And the next color in this color is very similar to the one which I'm wearing. It's a nice peach color with golden tissue. And దీనికి కూడా we have a nice scallop border. We see such borders very rarely in Benares, completely hand woven. Yeah, this is another color in this. I think we are done with this model. We are done with this model sarees. We'll go to the next. Next is Kanchipattu.
Gadwal sarees.
Gadwal, floral gadwals. We'll see floral gadwals. This is a nice mustard with floral print all over the body. And a nice lux green gadwal border. It's a complete gadwal sari. And we have a contrast blouse. Nice lux green blouse ochindi. And we have a contrast pallu. Very grand pallu ochindi. Very rich pallu. The price of this saree is 27,500 and the offer price is 24,750.
So this is what I'm wearing, really a beautiful Banarasi, pure Banarasi weaved sari. Lovely pure weave it is, and you see the pallu and everything. But this is my personal sari, so not for sale. This is a beautiful Kanjivaram. Lovely Kanchipattu sari with a lilac border and a blouse. This is how it is. Selfie please. Ma'am, the sari is very nice and the blouse is in lilac color. And this is how the border is. Very beautiful sari this is. Price, ma'am, the price of this sari what I'm showing you now is 48,500. In the offer you're getting it at 38,800. Lovely pure Kanchiputtu sari this is. Very beautiful it is. Next, this is a green tissue sari andi with the blouse. Nana full chupira. Turn children. Turn the camera. This is a green tissue sari andi with a Rani pink border. All over the sari you have the triangular weave. And show the pallu. This is how the pallu is. The price, Nana? The price of this sari is 34,000 and you have a discount of 27,000 on that. Up to, sorry, 27,200 kostundi manaki sari. This is my favorite sari andi, copper sari. Beautiful copper sari andi, copper tissue with a silver border. Lovely Kanchipuram this is, don't miss it. Very beautiful it is. Copper Kanchiputtu sari with a silver border. Selfie chupina idi. This is a lovely sari, ma'am. Beautiful it is. You see the pallu and you see the blouse. This is the pallu andi and this is the blouse. It's a pure Kanchiputtu sari andi. So please make sure you guys pick them up from us. The price of this sari what I've shown you is 38,500 and after discount you're getting it at 30,000. So please take a screenshot and the live is happening from Secunderabad andi, Patni Center. Still you have 3 more days to avail the offer of 30%. I know a lot of people are asking to extend the sale, but mostly till Sunday only we will be able to put it, ma'am. So meeku nachinayi meer teeskondi. This is a yellow tissue sari andi. Yellow with purple. Beautiful sari this is. Antiga. The yellow tissue sari, Kanchiputtu sari with a purple border this is. And this is the blouse. This is the pallu and this is the blouse andi. Koncham mottham chupichna. Ala. Right. This is a nice Kanchipuram sari andi. And the price of the sari is 32,500 and on discount you're getting it at 26,000 only. Auntie, మీరు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఇచ్చి నాన్న పెట్టరా.
This is a nice yellow and violet color Kanjivaram sari. It's very beautiful. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. We have a nice contrast blouse and a contrast pallu. This is a pallu. This is a pallu. Next. The price of the yellow sari, the actual price is 32,500 and the offer price is for 26,000. Wow, this is a nice golden sari with a lux green border. Very royal looking sari. And we have a nice contrast blouse. It's a nice golden and lux green sari and we have a contrast pallu. Let's see the pallu. Yes, we have a nice contrast pallu. It's all pure Kanjivaram sarees. The actual price of this saree is 32,500 and the offer price is for 26,000. Wow, this is a wow saree again. It's a nice baby pink saree with golden zari. It's a very nice baby pink saree. See, it's a nice baby pink saree. Not clear on top. It's not clear on top. Such actually very clear on top. And we have got a nice contrast border. It's a very light blue border, and this is the blouse. Show the pallu. Yeah, we have got a nice baby pink. It's not clear on top. So we have got a nice baby pink pallu for this. The price of the sari is, the actual price is 44,500 and after 20% discount we are getting it for 35,600. No clarity, it's not clear. Please give us few minutes, we'll just check it out. Andaru ade cheptunnaru, it's not clear. Yeah. This is a nice traditional color, manchi chilkapacha green with a nice pink border. Yeah, it's a nice peach border. It's all pure hand woven zari sarees, pure Kanjivaram sarees. Yeah. Camera is not clear on top. Just give us 2 minutes, we'll check it out. Yeah, the price of the sari which we have just shown, the actual price is 38,500 and discounted price is for 30,800. Yes, this is the sari. The next sari is this is the next sari. Yeah, this is a light brown shade. It's a very light brown with silver zari all over the sari. Just got silver zari all over the sari and a nice light green border. And we have got a contrast blouse. Pallu chupiyandi. Is the video clear now? Please check and let us know. Is the video clear now? Somebody please let us know if the video is clear now. We have got a nice contrast pallu for this. And the price of this sari is, the actual price is 38,500 and the offer price is for 30,800. We have got a 20% discount on this sari. The phone number which you can contact on is 733112833. Yeah. The next one is a beautiful grey and red sari. Is the video clear now? Please let us know. No anta. It's a beautiful grey and red sari. It's not clear. And we have elephants in the border. It's beautifully woven. And we have got a nice red contrast blouse for this sari. Look at the sari.
And the actual price of this grey and red saree is 38,500 and the offer price is for 30,800. And this is how the pallu looks. It has got a contrast pallu. Next. This is a nice video is still not clear. Okay, where phone we are checking, just give us a minute. Just give us 2 minutes. అప్పుడు వరకు సారీ చూద్దాం. ఇట్స్ అ నైస్ పింక్ సారీ, నైస్ డస్టీ పింక్ సారీ. దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కలర్. with a nice purple color border, and we have a contrast blouse. This is how it looks. And the pallu, we have got a contrast pallu. This is the pallu. I hope the video is clear now. Yeah, this is the pallu. The price of this saree is 38,500 and after 20% discount we are getting it for 30,800. The next one is a nice grey color saree. It's a very nice. People who are looking for silver and grey sarees, you can go for this. It's a perfect one. Look at the zari on this. It's beautiful. And a nice green color border. Yeah, and a green blouse. It has got full tissue. This is the sari, and the pallu. We have got a contrast pallu. This is a pallu. The price of this sari is 38,500 and the offer price is for 30,800. This one is a nice pink sari. Nice pink. This is how it looks. With a nice light green border. The green blouse. This is how it looks. And we have a contrast nice green pallu for this. Yes, this is the pallu. The price of this sari is 38,500 and the offer price is 30,800. The next one is a green and purple again. It's a beautiful combination. Yes. Look at the zari. And we have got a nice contrast blouse. Very bright purple for this. And we have got a nice pallu, contrast pallu. Clear video. The actual price of the saree is 38,500 and the discount price is for 30,800. Net connected on the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connect avaledu. Yes. Today all pattu sarees is video not clear. Wi-Fi chudandi. Yeah, this is a beautiful, similar to the grey one which we have seen. A little similar design. It's beautiful. It's in gold and hot pink border. Yes, this is how it looks. It has got all roses zari. This is the border, and we have got a nice contrast blouse for this. Yes, this is how it looks, and we have got a nice pallu for this. It's all in golden zari. It's all in golden zari. The price of the sari is, the actual price is 38,500 and the offer price is for 30,800. Oh. This is in light brown color with silver zari all over the sari, with a nice light green border and a light green blouse, and we have got a nice contrast pallu. It's a very beautiful and rare combination. It's light brown with bright green. Yes, the actual price of this sari is 38,500, and after 20% discount, the offer price we are getting it for 30,800. This is a nice classic combination again. It's with pink. It's pink with purple. Yes. And we have got a nice royal blue blouse for this. It's a very unique sari. And this is the blouse. It's a very nice royal blue blouse. It's not clear, Inka, not clear. Yeah, and we have got a royal blue blouse and a beautiful royal blue pallu. Yes, the price of the sari is 38,500 and the offer price is 30,800. I hope the video is clear now. Yes, this is a nice beige color sari. It's a nice beige color sari with grey combination. This is the border. It's a nice beige with grey, and we have a nice blouse for this. Again, beige with grey border in the blouse too. And we have got a gold pallu for this. We have got a golden pallu for this. Golden with grey. This is the pallu. The price of the sari is 38,500 and the offer price is 30,800. The next one is a nice violet with orange. I hope the video is clear now. It's a nice violet with orange combination. This is how it looks. It has got silver zari all over the sari, and different we have got a nice yellow now, mustard yellow blouse for this, and a mustard yellow pallu. Look at the combination of three colors. It's beautiful. And the price of the sari is 38,500 and the offer price is for 30,800. The next one is a nice orange with violet color. Yeah, this is the next sari. It's a nice orange with a nice deep violet color. Yes, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. And we have got a nice grand blouse for this. And the pallu, yes, this is the beautiful pallu for this. Full golden zari. contrast pallu with full golden zari. Yes, the price of the sari is 38,500 and the offer price is 30,800. The next one is a nice green with nice magenta color. Yes, this is a nice green color sari with magenta color border and a beautiful bright blouse. And this is the blouse and the pallu. And we have got a nice Rani pink pallu for this. Yes, the price of the sari is 38,500 and the offer price is 30,800. Last few sarees, Kanjivaram lo. Last few sarees in Kanjivaram Pattu. Yes, this is a nice pink with violet again. Nice pink with violet. This is how it looks. Yes, this is the border. And we have got a nice royal blue blouse for this. It looks beautiful. And we have got a nice royal blue pallu. Yes, that's the pallu and blouse. It's a beautiful royal blue pallu and blouse. The price of the sari is 38,500 and the offer price is 30,800. The phone number is 7331128333. The next one is a blue and pink. Yes, this is the sari. This is the body of the sari, and we have pink border on both the sides. It's a nice Rani pink. And we have got a nice Rani pink blouse. This is the blouse. This is how the whole sari looks. And the pallu, we have got a nice contrast pallu. Wow, nice Rani pink pallu for this. Yes, the price of the sari is 38,500 and the offer price is 30,800. The next one is a nice tomato pink sari. It's a nice tomato pink sari with a nice purple border. See, this is how the border looks. And we have got a nice blouse for this. This is how the whole sari looks. And we have got a beautiful pallu. Show the pallu. Yes, this is the pallu. A very, very rich pallu we have got. See, this is the pallu. The price of the sari is 32,500 and the offer price after 20% discount is 26,000. The next one is a very traditional and classic combination. It's green with red. Very festive, traditional, evergreen combination. It has golden zari all over the sari. And this is the blouse. This is how the sari looks. Pallu. Yes, this is the pallu, a very rich pallu again. A nice contrast red pallu with golden zari. It has got elephants. It's beautiful. The actual price of the sari is 32,500. The offer price after 20% discount is 26,000. The next one is Rani pink with bottle green. It's a nice Rani pink with bottle green and silver zari all over the sari. It's a nice bottle green. And we have got a nice contrast blouse. This is how the sari looks. The pallu. Yes, this is the contrast pallu. The price of the sari is 32,500. The offer price is for 26,000. I think this is the last one in Kanjivarams. The last sari for today in Kanjivarams. Nice lux green with red. It has got nice elephants in the border. It's a nice red pallu with lux green and golden zari all over the sari. This is the border. And we have got a nice contrast blouse. This is how it looks. Pallu. A nice red pallu with golden zari. It has got mangoes in the pallu. The actual price of the saree is 32,500 and we have a 20% discount and its final price is 26,000. And this is what we are wearing today. Nice Banaras sarees, and thank you for watching the live and joining us. We are done with the live now. We'll join you in another live with Shashi ma'am soon, like in some time. Yeah. Yeah, so three of us will see you again in some time. Bye.